Welcome. If you love finding great deals and never want to miss a price drop on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable in-app notifications for price drops on Pinterest, so you can shop smarter and save money every time you browse. This guide is fully updated for 2025, so let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Next, look for your profile picture at the very top of your profile page. Give it a tap. This will open up your account settings and options. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Notification. Tap on it to access all your Pinterest notification settings. Here, you'll find different categories for the types of alerts you can receive. We're focusing on shopping today, so under the shopping section, look for the option that says Price Drops. This is where you can manage notifications specifically for price changes on items you've saved or shown interest in. Tap on Price Drops. You'll see a toggle switch for the in-app option. If it's turned off, simply tap the switch to turn it on. This will enable in-app notifications, meaning Pinterest will alert you right inside the app whenever there's a price drop on products you're watching. That's it. You're all set to receive instant updates whenever prices drop on your favorite items. This feature helps you stay ahead of the game and never miss out on a bargain. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and shopping hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.